Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing two things: the Authenticator app and your unlocked Treasure NFT account. Open the Treasure web app, sign in, and navigate to Security or 2FA settings. Once there, choose to enable Google Authenticator. Make sure you already saved your wallet seed and have a private offline backup because you'll need it if you lose access. Tap Enable and keep the Treasure page visible. You'll use it to scan a QR code or copy a secret key into the app. Now you'll link the accounts. Open Google Authenticator and choose Add Account, then scan QR code or enter key. Point your phone camera at the Treasure QR code or paste the secret key. The app will immediately start generating rotating 6-digit codes every 30 seconds. Type the current code into Treasure's confirmation field and submit. Once Treasure verifies, it will mark 2FA as active. Make sure to turn off any less secure SMS 2FA to rely on the Authenticator's stronger time-based. Finish by saving recovery options. Copy Treasure's backup codes and the secret key to an encrypted file or physical safe. Test the full login. Enter your password, then open Authenticator and type the active 6-digit code to confirm success. If something goes wrong later, you can reinstall the app and re-add the account with the secret key, or use backup codes to access your Treasure account. If codes aren't accepted, check phone time sync. Then re-enter the secret key to resynchronize and restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.